Before spring break, we were talking about financial literacy and how to save money and the cost of money and such. So today I want to review with you calculating simple interest. So you can write this in your journal, or if you would like to print it from classroom, you can do that as well. Preston earns money by mowing lawns in his neighborhood. List some of the reasons that Preston might want to deposit his earnings into a savings account rather than keep it at home. So one of the reasons that Preston's money would do better in a savings account rather than keep it at home is that he can earn interest or additional money that you earn for keeping money in a savings account. Interest is earned regularly, such as annually, and it is expressed as a rate or a percentage. So when we talked about this, we looked at different bank websites and we looked at what actual interest rates were. Simple interest is interest earned only by the principal or the original amount deposited in the account. So we talked about what our formula for simple interest was. I equals PRT, where again, I is our interest, P is our principal or our original amount, R is our rate. It is a percentage, but we need to change it to a decimal. And T is time. Time is generally in years. To refresh your memory, I want to do a couple of these practice problems with you, and then I'll have you do a couple on your own, and you can check it with the answer key. Use the simple interest formula to find the amount of interest earned in 1 through 3, and then find the total value of the account, assuming there are no other deposits or withdrawals. So when we look at this first one, we have a $600 deposit. This is our P over 30 years. That's our T at a rate of 2%. So we're going to change that to 0.02. So when we plug this in, I equals PRT. So we're looking for our interest. We have 600 times 0.02 times 30. Now the other day I had you download the calculator either on your iPad or your tablet or your computer. So I'm going to open my calculator so we can go ahead and plug these in. It's just going to take a minute. So here's our calculator. So we're going to add calculator. We're going to do 600 times 0.02 times 30. And we get an interest amount of $360. Now our total value is going to be our principal plus our interest. So when we take 600 plus 360, we now have a total value in that account of $960. On number 2, we have a deposit of $4,100 for 72 months. Now we have to be careful there. That is our time, but remember time is in years, so we'll look at that. And our interest 1, 2 is going to be 0.034. So I equals 4,100 P times R 0.034. Now T we need to be careful because this is in months. So if I need to take 72 months and divide it by 12 to get years, that is in fact 6 years. So we're not going to use 72, we're going to use 6 because this is 6 years. So then we can go back to our calculator. 4,100 times 0.034 times 6 gives me $836.40. So when I go through, I can come back to my page. $836 $836.40. So then again, we need to add these two together. $836.40 plus our principal, which was $4,100. So now we have $4,936, excuse me, and 40 cents. $4,936.40. I think I'm gonna let you go ahead and do numbers 3, number 4, and number 5. Now, number 4 and number 5, notice it gives you the interest, it gives you the years, and it gives you the percentage. So you need to find the initial deposit or the P. So you're not only going to need to use that I equals PRT formula, you're going to also need to use your knowledge of solving equations to find this answer. So once you're done, you can check the answer key in the Google Classroom. Have a great night.